I want to tell the people of Edo State, nobody should be afraid. Nobody should be what? Afraid. Nobody can rig this election. Nobody can rig this election. No one man can decide what will happen in Edo State. Today is the end of so-called godfatherism. I thank Dr. Obaseki for the interest of Edo people. If he was selfish, he would have been dancing to the tune of one man. Yesterday, and this is how you know people, I quote him, I'm not the one who said it. He said that Eze Iyamo is a fake pastor. I'm not the one who said so. Oshimole said so. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? He said Eze Iyamo was educated for school. Is that what he said? Is that what he said? I'm not the one who said it. Oshimole said Eze Iyamo poured acid on a man. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? I'm not the one who said it. I'm only reminding the Edo people what Oshimole said. He said Obaseki is one of the best. Is that what he said? Is that what he said? He said every of his achievement, Obaseki was responsible for it. Was it not? Was it not? He said Obaseki never asked him for $1 or contract. Isn't that what he said? Isn't that what he said? How will somebody yesterday told you this one is an umbrella, this one is this? Tomorrow I said no, it was a political statement. Which one now is not a political statement? If you said that you never answer a political statement, this one now is also doing this one political statement. The only thing giving APC some kind of hope is because they believe in rigging. But this one, it will be very difficult. It will be very, very difficult. And we will not allow anybody to take away our state. Will you allow them? Edo people, will you allow them? What is important for all of us is not just only coming out to vote. I know you come out to vote, that I'm aware. But what is more important is for you to protect and defend your vote. Will you defend your vote? Are you sure?